Jacksonville market, what's it look like right now? This is a snapshot, right? But the number that really jumps out of here that we haven't even addressed, right, is this idea that home sales have increased 4% year over year. That feels contradictory to
Right.
everything you hear in headlines and on the street.
I know. How about that? Yeah, we're talking about the number of home sales, and all you hear is that nothing is selling right now and that things take forever to sell. And this is where some data really, really helps us, along with the perspective that we have from doing this for 20 years. But yeah, I wanted to pull the numbers for you all to see what total home sales have done in 2025 and comparing that to 2024. So, as I mentioned, home sales are up a little over 4%. 29,000 sales is where we're at for this year for Jacksonville. If you compare it to the crazy hot years of 2022 is what I put here. We had 33,000 sales at that time. That was the most, I think either 2021 or 2022 was the most that we had for total home sales in Jacksonville. But if we go back to 2018 and 2019, again, we're seeing that our number of home sales is very normal. It's very much similar to 2019. And then there was growth from 2018 to 2019. So normalization, normalization. That's the theme of the market right now.
I think I sent you something from Instagram saying how like
Yeah, that was great.
yeah,
Great
it
timing.
was talking about how like nationally home sales are down and people aren't buying
Inventory's
homes.
way up
Yeah.
and prices are crashing. I mean, that's all we're bombarded with, guys. But the data, the real actual data does not show that for a growth market like Jacksonville. Now, there are some markets out there that are having significant problems, but sometimes the data is just made up in those articles and those Instagram posts.
Yeah.
Sometimes the data is from a different market and then it is generalized to say every market is that way. But this is the strength of having a partner who has their own money invested in this market and manages over $1 billion of real estate. We have access to the real data that is guiding the performance of your assets.